Hey, it's Mike, and for today's stock of the day, I'm going to take a look at American Lithium Corp. The stock trades on the OTC under symbol LIAF. The stock had a really nice day yesterday, up over 6%, up to $2.24. You look over the past month, the stock has not been doing that well. However, it had a nice day here, and I'm looking for American Lithium to break above this sort of 237 mark. If it can break through that, I think it has a shot of breaking up through 2.6, 2.8, and make a run at $3 a share. In the long term, it would not surprise me if American Lithium Corp can double and go up towards $5 a share for the end of the year for a couple of reasons. First of all, let's take a look at how American Lithium has performed since the beginning of the year. As you can see, the stock did have a run up when a lot of small stocks had a run up all the way up to $3.32, and then it did fall off. Now, considering how well the stock has done from its 52-week low of 12 cents to run up to 332 and only back down to about $2.24, actually shows some really positive strength. Now, what I really like about American Lithium is that they're based in the Americas and they have their project here 5 miles from Tonopah, Nevada, which is actually pretty close. I mean, it's within the same state of Tesla's Nevada's Gigafactory. And the fact is, Tesla is going to need as much lithium as they're going in order to produce their EV batteries. So this makes American Lithium well positioned to basically sell all the lithium that they're able to mine out of the ground at a really good price. Another thing that I like about American Lithium is that we're living now in an age where we're probably going to have increased inflation. And when you have increased inflation, any company that's involved with commodities like gold and silver miners, lithium miners, are going to be very valued by investors. You're going to see investors moving away from smaller companies that are dependent on borrowing cheap money in order to stay in business and look at companies that produce commodities or stuff that's rare. And so American Lithium, I think, is going to be very well positioned over the next couple of years to outperform the market. In the short term, I do think that EV stocks are going to do really well, and EV stocks do really well, then all the sort of picks and shovel plays are going to do well, like American Lithium. For instance, let's just take a look at Tesla here. And as you can see, Tesla was up a little over 2%. Tesla has fallen a bit from its high that it reached in early February of around $900 a share back to $670. But I think this is just because the stock ran up very far, very fast. I think in the long term, Tesla will go back up into it and beat this high and continue to move much higher, which is going to also help American Lithium. So I would definitely not only look at the EV plays, but look at the companies that service the EV industry. And American Lithium is really well positioned. It's a small company. It's a pink sheet stock, so you don't want to put all of your money into it. However, I do think putting a little bit into American Lithium could do really well. And as I said, I definitely think there is a possibility that before the end of the year, American Lithium can make a run towards $5 a share. So go ahead and check it out. Once again, the stock trades on the OTC under symbol LIACF. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stock trading strategies, and market updates. Thanks a lot. Bye.